I think that, people in general, when they look at magazines or they see pictures of gardens or pictures of places, even interiors of their home, they see a picture and they love it, but they don't know how to recreate it. But it's very easy to recreate if you have those visions. So it's just taking the risk and really kind of picking that picture apart and saying, oh, there's a hedge down the middle of that yard, and that seems kind of scary to me. But if I want this end result of kind of this room or this private area, I think people are really scared about being creative, and they don't trust things that they like. They like something, but then they're telling me something completely different. I think it's because people, they want a patio off of their house, and then they want a little bed around the corner because that's what makes them feel comfortable. But when they go to Conestoga Gardens and they walk through those different areas, they just feel great. So it's like, well, that can easily be recreated. You just have to kind of trust that process.